Hey guys, Pete Klein here. In this video, I'll be showcasing AFKMania. AFKMania is a 1.20.4 to 1.21 Minecraft plugin that is a AFK system for your server. So let's get right into this video. To begin, we're gonna need to download the plugin. We can do so by heading over to my Jenkins website and selecting AFKMania 1.0. From there, we can download this. Wait for it to finish. There we are. Now we can head back so we can see the documentation for later on. But we can also go and download World Edit. So we can do so by heading over to Modern and just getting the latest version for 1.21.4. And we can do the same for World Card. Now once we have them all installed, which we'll just need to wait for these to finish up, we can head over to our console, head over to our files, to plugins, and from there we can drag and drop all of our required plugins. So we have World Guard, we now just need World Edit, and that. So now with these three, what we can do is restart our server and wait for this to load. While we wait for our server to load back up, we can read through some of our instructions. Now with AFKMania, it allows access for any sort of reward due to the fact that we're using commands to give out the rewards. So as long as there's a command to obtain the item or like coins or anything like that, it can be done. So now that we have our AFKMania plugin enabled, we can head back to our files and plugins. And now we can head over to AFKMania and config.yml. From there, we can see the AFK pool module is enabled and AFK block is enabled. For this tutorial, we won't be using AFK block as it has not been fully developed yet. So from there, we can do AFKMania reload. Now we can see that AFK pool has been enabled and AFK block is disabled. I'm just gonna open this from a different file, or different tab, sorry. So we can head over to modules now and AFK pool. Now we can see the region name for AFK pool, and we can see the rewards. And we also have the reward interval in seconds. Now, if we wanted to have more than one of AFK pool, we can copy this and paste it again. Then we could name that as 2, and then we could set this to be the same one, or we could set it to a different region. In this case, I'll actually keep that at 2. And we can see our rewards here. So the rewards are just showing up over here. Then we can leave these how they are since it works. Here are the AFK message. And so if you're in the region, it's gonna show the title as AFK pools and subtitle as generating rewards. If your inventory is full, it's gonna say AFK pools, and then as a subtitle, your inventory is full. And if you're leaving the AFK pool zone, it says AFK pools, you are no longer AFK. Now we have it showing as send message enabled true. And so this is going to send a message to let you know that, well, you were leaving it. So we can leave it all like that. We also have the chance in percentage. So we can go and save that. Now we can just redo AFKMania reload. From there, we can get onto the server and we can get ourselves a wand. Now from here, we can select ourselves 2 regions. There we are, we have 2 positions set. Now we can do region define AFK underscore pool. Now with this region defined, if we enter it, we can see AFK pools generating rewards. And in 5 seconds, we got ourselves an emerald. Now, due to the fact that the percentage is set for 30% chance for emerald and 10% chance for diamond, we're probably mainly only gonna get emeralds. There is a small chance for diamonds, of course, but yeah, it's 1/3 of it, so low chance. Or, sorry, 1/4. And then as we leave, we can see the leave message, and we can see the "you're no longer AFK." Now, as an exemplar that it works for multiple pools, we can define this as pool 2. And now if we run right into here, we can see the same message, but this time we're only gonna go and get diamonds, due to the fact that this region is just plain diamonds. And that's mainly it for AFKMania, honestly. If we wanted to change the generating rewards, we can do like generating rewards test, then /AFKMania reload, and then it updates automatically. It's pretty simple to set up, honestly. If we go back, we can see the messages.yml, and we can see the reload command, the no permission, and unknown command. Because, yeah, if we do AFKMania, I'm pretty sure I don't even have a help. Nope, I do. Okay. So yeah, help will just show help. If you do like help, it'll show the unknown command. For AFK block, we won't get into that since, well, it's not fully done, so for now, we don't have to worry. If we go back from here, yeah, there's just config where we can change our prefix for the main plugin and enable and disable it. And that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.